So what is this app bitchat mesh, the side group chat? Seems it's built by Jack Dorsey. Is this the same guy who built Twitter? I don't know. Maybe chat with people around you, don't need their phone or email. The side group chat for any function. Use Bluetooth mesh, no internet needed, relays messages to go the distance, encrypted private messages. So, so this is kind of like a simple app. Uh, Telegram, all other messengers have this functionality where you can just chat with people who have Bluetooth around you. But yeah, let's just install it and see what is that. So here you obviously need to have Bluetooth, you need to have notifications, you have your username. Seems you can just change it, and then you can see that nobody is around. So you need to be in the people where there are people. End-to-end encryption, noise protocol, messages relays through peers, going the distance, get notified when your favorite people join, use nickname to notify specific people, no tracking, no new peer ID generated regularly, set your nickname by tapping it, swipe left for sidebar, tap a peer to start a private chat, use nickname to mention someone, triple tap chat to clear. So that's, can I then just change my username? So I have my username, but what if I quit the app? Just try and so I need to learn how to use it. Okay, now I sent the message and it's say, so I just tap it, swipe left for sidebar. So this is, if I tap on bitchat, I have sidebar, triple tap logo to instantly clear all data. And then I just cleared all data. Then I can just again set up my username. And then you just have it like that. So yeah, that's so that's what you can see. That's the app. I mean, probably you just need to use it in San Francisco, stuff like, or New York, where there are a lot of geeks trying out this app. But right now, yeah, in locations where you don't have all of this, it's just not available. But yeah, that's just a quick overview. Maybe it's also using this all this blockchain technologies or some they have this Nostr protocol on Blue Sky or something like that. So it's kind of decentralized chat. But yeah, I don't know yet what is the idea of it, but maybe Jack Dorsey is trying again some stuff. So yeah, seems it's like the real Jack Dorsey. He is literally just building some random apps from time to time, has his personal account on Apple developer. So yeah, quite interesting. As you can see, it's in the top charts. So yeah, try it out.